Hi, my name's Alex Schumann. I am one of the working group leads for the Greening Urban Spaces Working Group. I also work at Aquidneck Land Trust, which is a conservation nonprofit that works here in Newport, Middletown, and Portsmouth. And our working group really primarily focuses on issues related to open space, parks, and trees in the North End, and also on land use policy and community engagement around land use policy. Uh, so why are parks and open spaces important? Well, they've been shown to be profoundly beneficial for both physical and mental health. And unfortunately, the North End is below the national standard for parks and open spaces for a neighborhood of its size. We've also heard over the years from residents about the need for more parks, open spaces, and trees in the neighborhood, and the need for more improvements to existing parks to make them a little more usable for the community. So some of the things we've worked on in the past, over the last few years, we've worked on some advocating for some concrete on the ground projects. So examples of that would be the new restroom the city put in Minestonomi Park, the bike barn that Bike Newport runs outside the park that connects bicyclists to the trails in the park. Or also helping advocate for bringing the farmers market to Minestonomi Park a few years ago. Um, we also have worked on the policy side of things with regard to land use in the North End. So we had explored the idea of community benefit agreements for development projects, and that has progressed to being talked about for future North End development plans. We also advocated for more community engagement related to the North End urban planning process, and trying to empower residents to speak about their concerns at those land use planning board meetings and workshops related to the North End urban plan. In the coming year, we hope to kind of continue working on these projects, advocating for open spaces and parks in the North End, um, continuing to look at land use policy and how upcoming developments in the North End will impact the community, and see if there are opportunities to improve our open spaces and parks as part of those development projects. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, we'd love to have more folks on the committee and more residents on in the working group. And I hope to see you be a part of it. Thank you.